While Quotex does not have direct integration with TradingView, you can still use TradingView for technical analysis and then execute trades on Quotex manually. Here's how to use TradingView with Quotex. Sign up for both accounts. Create an account on Quotex if you don't have one and log in. Open TradingView and sign up or log into your account. TradingView provides advanced charting tools and analysis for various assets. Set up TradingView charts. In TradingView, search for the asset you want to trade that is available on Quotex. Customize your charts with indicators like RSI, moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and other tools to analyze price movements and trends. Perform analysis on TradingView. Use TradingView's tools to conduct technical analysis, study chart patterns, and identify support or resistance levels, trends, and potential entry points. Place trades on Quotex. After analyzing the asset on TradingView, switch to Quotex to place your trades manually. You can use the information you gathered from TradingView to inform your decisions on Quotex's binary options platform. Monitor and adjust. You can continue to monitor price movements on TradingView while executing trades on Quotex, adjusting strategies as needed.